Hello students. Now see the activity here. Speak and write. Some important factors that are harmful for community health are mentioned below. For example, polluted water, malnutrition, etc. What do you mean by malnutrition? Malnutrition means faulty nutrition, means the condition of taking not nutritious food due to inadequate and unbalanced intake of nutrients, etc. How each of these factors harms community health is given in the first box in front of it. Some suggested remedies are mentioned in the next box. Add all other ill effects and remedies to the respective boxes. For example, polluted water. Polluted water, cholera, jaundice, diarrhea, all these diseases will be spread. And what remedies? Safe water supply. We have to drink water, boiled water. All these schemes can be made. Now see the topic of malnutrition. Due to malnutrition, there is higher number of child deaths. To prevent that, what should be given? Children should be provided nutritious diet. It can be provided in schools, Anganwadis, and other centers. Third one is pollution. Pollution is danger to environment. It can harm all living things. And what is the remedy for that? We can protect the environment. For protecting the environment, each and everyone has to try for that purpose. Cutting of trees should be stopped. Quarrying and using insecticide, pesticides, then emitting poisonous gases through factories, vehicles, etc. All this care should be taken. Ignorance and superstitions. The ignorance means not knowing something about that, whatever it is, ajnan. And superstition means what? Andhashraddha. For that, it is oppression, deception is a reason. And we have to develop scientific attitude among the children and the community also. That's the only way to educate them. Then addiction. Addiction means what? Vyasan. Due to addiction, what is the result? Family life becomes unhappy, economic loss, and the family is not able to achieve the progress, spend money for good purpose, etc. De-addiction programs. De-addiction programs can be taken. Hospitals, educating the people and helping them. Wholesome living. What do you mean by wholesome living? Wholesome living means promoting healthy body. If we take care of our health, it's possible for us to lead a wholesome life. Keeping ourselves happy and taking an interest in things, avoiding feelings of hatred and envy. Envy means what here? Envy means feeling of discontent and aroused by someone's qualities, etc. And doing what is necessary to maintain physical health helps us to achieve this end. If people of a society live healthy and wholesome life, social tensions also decrease and feelings of friendship can be nurtured, means developed. Okay.